Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at rAVe 2025, a conference that is all about promoting sustainability in the AV industry. And rAVe is also an organization that's doing a lot of great work. I am joined right now by one of rAVe's ambassadors, Juan Gutiérrez, who is one of the ambassadors to Colombia. So first of all, tell me a little bit about how the conference has been going for you.
Oh well, the conference is really good. I think everyone is having a lot of fun, and we just have a workshop. I think is great.
It was
It
great.
was great. Yeah. So great conversations, great ideas. So I think it's going really good.
So tell me a little bit about how you got involved with rAVe. How did you become an ambassador?
Well, in 2023, we was at ISC. Uh, there we met Joe and Christina, the founders of Safe. In Colombia, we were doing some things like recycling, and when we talked with Joe, he told us about everything about sustainability, and we said that's what we need to continue with our sustainability process. That year, we went to California to the offices of Safe. We took the certification, and we decided to be ambassadors to Colombia.
Tell me a little bit about what the job is. What do you do as an ambassador to rAVe?
We have to promote the sustainability in the AV industry. So we talk with integrators in Colombia, with end users. We have to search for recyclers. We visit them. We make sure that they make the correct they
Choices.
correct job. So they don't do greenwashing. Yeah.
Yes. So you kind of make sure that the AV companies that are in Colombia, if they say that they're being sustainable, you make sure that they're actually doing it.
Yeah, the recyclers. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Very cool. You've also been a big part in developing the sustainability and AV design guide, and the second version is about to come out. Would you like to talk a little bit about the guide?
The guide is some tips that anyone can read and implement in his life, inside his job. So to be more sustainable. So I know that there's a lot of people that want to be more sustainable. They don't know how to begin. Yeah. So this guide can help them to begin this process.
And in the class or the workshop that we were in earlier, people talked about things like knowing where to put the hottest, like switchers are in your rack, knowing how to make sure the heat doesn't go above 85 degrees, and the small choices that you can make as an integrator or as a designer to just make sure that it's a little bit more sustainable, like bit by bit. Kind of like what Chris from Shore said earlier, where every step is a step.
Yeah, the guy will help with these tips because we want to prolong the lifespan of the devices. So yeah, and we take a little bit the information about from Avixa's CTS designs, and we use them for the people to know how to be more sustainable and extend the lifespan of the devices to be more sustainable.
Yeah, perfect. Well, thank you so much for talking to me. And if you want to learn more about rAVe as an organization, or if you want to learn about how to be an ambassador to your country, they are always looking to expand and find more ambassadors for countries all over Latin America, all over Europe. Go to saveav.org, and don't forget to go to ravepubs.com for all of your pro AV and home AV news. Again, I'm Steph Beckett, and we'll see you next time.